Today's requirement 370. There was an old lion in a huge jungle. Because of its oldness, he could not chase after any creature to hunt. Therefore, it made a plan. He was sitting in a place. Suddenly, a donkey came there. Lion called donkey, "Arey o donkey, come here. Come here, come close." Oh, what is your order? Smell my mouth. Someone told me my mouth smells bad. वो गधा आया और उन्होंने सूंघा और कहा, जी साहब, आपका मुंह में से दुर्गंध तो आती है, और एक झापट लगा दी। हाँ, वो गधा वहां ही गिर गया। एक शिकार तो ऐसे मिल गया। आफ्टर few minutes, a monkey came there. The lion asked again it. The monkey saw the donkey and he responded, "Oh, lion sir, थोड़ी थोड़ी दुर्गंधी आती, बहुत थोड़ी सी आती है तेरी। भाग, पर एक आंटी दीजो। Within few minutes, a fox came there. He saw, oh, donkey died. Monkey ગથોલિયું ખાઈ ગયો છે. Lion ordered it. Someone tells me my mouth smells bad. Is it true? Smell. Come here, come close. પેલું શિયાળિયું નજીક આવીને કે, સાહેબ રાજી રહેજો, મને એટલી બધી જોરદાર શરદી થઈ ગઈ છે ને કે કાંઈ ગંધ જ નથી આવતી. Fox ran away. When monkey met it, monkey asked, "अरे ओ fox, तुम कैसे बच पाया? तुम कैसे बच गया?" और तब वो fox मीन्स शियाल ने क्या कहा, सुनिए. A smart person knows very well what to say. क्या बोलना चाहिए वो होशियार आदमी को पता चलता है. और a wise knows what and when to say or not. लेकिन जो बहुत होशियार होता है वो जानता है कि क्या बोलना चाहिए, कब बोलना चाहिए और कब कुछ भी नहीं बोलना चाहिए. समझ गए? थिंक or check, we are smart persons or wise persons or dull person. Essence of today's requirement: think before saying something. Think twice before saying once. Without thinking, please don't say anything.